Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 9 part 4, that is algebraic expressions and identities. In previous part we have discussed exercise 9.3 and in this part we are going to discuss exercise 9.4 from NCERT. Now question number 1. Multiply the binomials. There are two binomials are given and we have to multiply it. So binomials means the algebraic expression having two terms. So there are two binomials. First binomial is 2x plus 5 and the second one is 4x minus 3. So in first binomial 2x plus 5, there are two terms. 2x is the first term and 5 is the second term. That's why it's a binomial. Similarly 4x minus 3. 4x is the first term and minus 3 is the second term. So this is also binomial. So just multiply it. What we have to do in 2x plus 5 into 4x minus 3. So simply write it 2x plus 5 and 4x minus 3. First of all, 2x is multiplied in all these two terms. After this, 5 is multiplied into all these two terms. Okay. So first of all, 2x is multiplied into 4x. So 2 4s are 8 and x into x, it will be x square. So this is 8x square. Now 2x is multiplied into minus 3. So it will be 2 3s are 6. So it will be minus 6 and x. Similarly, 5 is multiplied into 4x, so 5 4s are 20, so this is plus 20x. Now 5 is multiplied into minus 3, so it will be 5 3s are 15, so this is minus 15. Now there are minus 6x and 20x, there are two like terms, so just calculate it. So 8x square minus 6x plus 20x, it will be plus 14x. And this is minus 50. So this is the answer. And there are no like terms. So this is the answer. Similarly, question number 2. Y minus 8 and 3y minus 4. So y minus 8 is multiplied into 3y minus 4. So similarly, same process we have to do here. Y is multiplied into all these two terms. Then minus 8 is multiplied into all these two terms. So y into 3y, it will be 3y square. Now y into minus 4, it will be minus 4y. Now minus 8 into 3y. So 8 3s are 24. So this is minus 24y. So minus 8 into minus 4. 8 4s are 32. So it will be plus 32. Now this is 3y square. Minus 4y and minus 24y. These are the like terms. So it will be calculated. Minus 4 minus 24. It will be minus 28y plus 32. Now this is the answer. Now question number 3. Now 2.5L is multiplied into 2.5L. Then 2.5 is multiplied into 0.5M. After this, 0.5M is multiplied into 2.5L. Then 0.5M is multiplied into 0.5M. Okay. So first of all, 2.5L into 2.5L. It will be 6.25 L into L, that is L square. Now 2.5L is multiplied into 0.5M. So it will be 1.25 LM. Now minus 0.5 m is multiplied into 2.5 L. So it will be minus 1.25 m into L, that is ml. So here we can write Lm. Now 0.5 m is multiplied into 0.5 m. So this will be minus. So this is minus 0.5 into 0.5. It will be 0.25 and m into m, that is m square. Okay, students. So 1.25 Lm and minus 1.25 Lm, it will be cancelled out. So here the 6.25 L square and it will be minus 0.25 m square. Now this is the answer, and this is very simple. Now the next question, that is question number 4. A plus 3b and x plus 5, and here we have to multiply it. So a plus 3b and x plus 5. So first of all, a is multiplied into x, then a is multiplied into 5, then 3b is multiplied into x, then 3b is multiplied into 5. Same process. So a into x, that is ax, a into 5, that is 5a, 3b into x, it will be 3bx, 3b into 5, it will be 3 5 is 15, so 15b. Now ax plus 5a plus 3bx plus 15b. So this is the answer. There are no like term to calculate it, so this is the answer. Now question number 5. 2pq plus 3q square is multiplied into 3pq minus 2q square. So 2pq is multiplied into 3pq, so it will be 2 3 is 6, p into p, that is p square, q into q, that is q square. Now 2pq is multiplied into minus 2q square. So 2 2 is 4, so it will be minus 4, and pq into q square. So it will be p q into q square, that means q cube. Now 3q square is multiplied into 3pq, so 3 3 is 9, q square into pq, so p and q square into q, that is q cube. Now 3q square is multiplied into minus 2q square, so 3 2 is 6, so it will be minus 6, q square into q square, that is q to the power 4. Now 6p square q square, so it will be written as 6p square q square minus 4pq cube plus 9pq cube. These two terms are like terms, so it will be added. So minus 4pq cube plus 9pq cube, so it will be plus 5pq cube minus 6q to the power 4, and this is the answer. Similarly, question number 6. 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square is multiplied into 4a square minus 2 by 3b square. So just simplify it. So it will be 4a square and 4 into minus 2 by 3. So it will be 8 by 4 to the 8, 8 by 3b square. 8 by 3b square. Now just multiply it. 3 by 4a square is multiplied into 4a square. After this, 3 by 4a square is multiplied into 8 by 3b square. Then 3b square is multiplied into 4a square. Then 3b square is multiplied into minus 8 by 3b square. Okay. So first of all, 3 by 4a square is multiplied into 4a square. 3 by 4a square is multiplied into 4a square. Now 3 by 4a square is multiplied into minus 8 by 3b square. So plus 3 by 4a square is multiplied into minus 8 by 3b square. Now 3b square is multiplied into 4a square. So directly we can multiply 3 4 are 12 b square a square. So here we can add 12 a square b square. Now 3b square is multiplied into minus 8 by 3b square. So plus 3b square is multiplied into minus 8 by 3b square. So just calculate it. 3 by 4a square into 4a square. Now 4 and 4 cancel out. It will be 3a square into a square, that is 3a to the power 4. Now plus 3 and 3 cancel out. 4 2 is 8. So here minus 2. It will be minus 2 a square into b square. So it will be a square b square. Now 12a square b square. So here you can write 12a square b square and 3b square into minus 8 by 3b square. So 3 3 cancel out. It will be minus 8b to the power 4. So 3a to the power 4 minus 2a square b square plus 12a square b square. These are like terms. So just calculate it. 12 minus 2, that is 10a square b square, and it will be minus 8b to the power 4. Same. So this is the answer, and this is the complete solution of up to question number 6. Now this is the complete solution of question number 1. There are 6 questions. So the next question, that is question number 2. Find the product. Again we have to multiply. So a square plus b and a plus b square. So a square is multiplied into a. After this, a square is multiplied into b square. Then b is multiplied into a, and then b is multiplied into b square. Same process. So a square into a, that is a cube. A square into b square. So it will be a square b square. Now b is multiplied into a, so it will be ba. We can write ab. Now b is multiplied into b square, so this is b cube. Now this is the answer. Now the next question, p square minus q square and 2p plus q. Again we have to find the product here. So p square into 2p, so it will be 2 p square into p, that is p cube. Now p square is multiplied into q, so it will be plus p square q. Now minus q square is multiplied into 2p, so it will be minus 2p q square. Now minus q square is multiplied into q, so it will be minus q cube. So 2p cube plus p square cube minus 2pq square minus q cube. This is the answer. There are no other like term. So this is the answer. Now question number 3. Simplify. Simply we have to simplify this expression. So x square minus 5 and x plus 5. There are multiplication sign in between them, plus 25. So just simplify it. So x square is multiplied into x, so it will be x cube. X square is multiplied into 5, so it will be 5x square. Minus 5 is multiplied into x, so it will be minus 5x. Minus 5 is multiplied into 5, so it will be minus 5 5 is 25. And this is 25. Now 25 and minus 25 will cancel out, So it will be x cube plus 5x square minus 5x, and this is the answer. Now the next question, that is question number second. A square plus 5, b cube plus 3 plus 5. So this is their multiplication sign, so just multiply it. A square into b cube, so it will be a square b cube. Now a square into 3, so it will be 3a square. 5 into b cube, it will be 5b cube. Now 5 into 3, that will be 5 3s are 15, so plus 5. Now a square b cube plus 3a square plus 5b cube plus 15 plus 5, that is 20. Now this is the answer. Similarly, third question, t plus s square, t square minus s. Just multiply it. So t into t square, so it will be t cube, t into s minus s, so it will be minus ts. Now s square is multiplied into t square, so s square t square, so it will be s square t square. Now s square is multiplied into minus s, so it will be minus s cube. So there are no like term, so this is the answer directly. Now the last question, that is question number 4. This expression is given, we have to solve it. So simply a plus b into c minus d. So a into c, so it will be ac. A into d, a into minus d, so it will be minus ad. Similarly b into c, so it will be plus bc. B into minus d, so it will be minus bd, plus a minus b and c plus d. Just multiply it. So a into c, it will be ac. Now a into d, it will be plus ad. Minus b into c, so it will be minus bc. Minus b into d, it will be minus bd. Now plus 2ac plus bd, so just multiply by 2 in this term, ac and bd. So 2 into ac, it will be 2ac. 2 into bd, it will be 2bd. Now ac and ac, so ac and ac, it will be 2ac minus ad and plus ad, it will be cancelled out. BC minus BC, it will be cancelled out. BD minus BD and minus BD, so it will be added, so minus 2BD, and there are 2AC plus 2BC, 2BD, so 2AC plus 2BD. Now 2A minus 2BD and plus 2BD, so it will be cancelled out, and here 2AC are left, so plus 2AC, and this is the answer. So this is 2AC na, that means 2AC, this is 2AC, so 2AC and plus 2AC, it will be 4AC, and this is the answer. Thank you so much, students. Now the next question, that is question number 5. The expression is given here and we have to simplify it. So first of all, x plus y into 2x plus y. So x into 2x, that is 2x square. X into y, that will be xy. Now similarly, y is multiplied into 2x, then y is multiplied into y. So y into 2x, it will be 2xy, and y into y, that will be y square, plus x plus 2y and x minus y. Just multiply it. So x into x, it will be x square. X into y, it will be minus xy. 2y is multiplied into both terms, so 2y into x, it will be 2xy. 2y into minus y, so minus 2y square. 2x square and x square, so these two terms will be added, so 2x square plus x square, it will be 3x square. xy plus 2xy, that will be 3xy, and this is also 2xy. 3 plus 2, that is 5xy. Now y square minus 2y square, it will be minus y square, and this minus xy is left here, so minus xy. Now 3x square, 5xy minus xy, it will be 4xy minus y square, and this is the answer. It's very simple. Similarly, question number 6. X plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. In this question, what we have to do? X is multiplied into x square, then x is multiplied into minus xy, then x is multiplied into y square. After same process we have to do. Y is multiplied into x square, then y is multiplied into minus xy, then y is multiplied into y square. So first of all, x is multiplied into x square, so it will be x into x square, so this is x cube. X into minus xy, so it will be minus x square y. X into y square, so it will be xy square. Now y is multiplied into all the terms, so y into x square, so it will be x square y. Y into minus xy, so it will be minus xy square. Y into y square, so it will be y cube. Now x cube minus x square y and plus x square y, it will be cancelled out. Xy square and minus xy square, it will be cancelled out. What is left here? Plus y cube. So x cube plus y cube. Now this is the answer. Now the next question, that is question number 7. A plus b plus c, and in next bracket a plus b minus c. So simply a is multiplied into all these terms, then b is multiplied into all these terms, then c is multiplied into all these terms. Same process we have to do. So a into a, that will be a square. A into b, that will be ab. A into c minus c, so it will be minus ac. Similarly, b is multiplied into all the terms, so b into a, it will be ab. B into b, it will be b square. B into c, it will be minus bc. Now a square, ab plus ab, this is 2ab minus ac minus bc, and this is plus b square. Now this is the answer. Now it's very simple. Now here a is multiplied into all these terms, b is multiplied into all these terms. Now c is also multiplied into all these terms. So here we can write c into a, it will be ac. C into b, it will be bc. C into c, it will be minus c square. Here we can also write so we can write ac plus bc minus c square. Now a square, there are no any a square, so this is a square. 2ab, so here we can write 2ab minus ac plus ac, it will be cancelled out. Minus bc plus bc, it will be cancelled out. B square minus c square, so this is b square minus c square. Now this is the answer. Thank you so much, students. This is the complete explanation of this exercise. Thank you so much.